Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important concepts of partnership. So we will discuss what is partnership, what are the types of partnership, how the profit is shared between partners. Okay, and we will also solve some problems based on our discussion. So one by one we will see. So what is partnership? See, suppose two or more persons come together and start a business, then they are called partners. So some partners may only invest amount, or some partners may invest amount and manage the business. Okay. So we will see the types of partnership. So when two or more persons run a business jointly, they are called partners, and the deal is called partnership. And types of partnership is simple partnership and compound partnership. So we will see how the profit is shared between the partners in these two types. In simple partnership is one in which the capital of all the partners are invested for the same time. It means in simple partnership, all the partners invest capital. It may be same or different, but the time period is same. Okay, capitals are invested for the same time. So gain or loss, it will be shared based on their investment. So who is investing how much, on that only profit will be shared, because time is same for each partner. Suppose A and B invest rupees X and rupees Y for a year in a business. Means both A and B are investing for 1 year. Then at the end of year, A's profit ratio B's profit will be in the ratio of their investment, that is X ratio Y. Okay. So this is what a simple partnership is. In compound partnership, capitals of the partners are invested for different time periods. So here different partners invest for different times. So how we can then calculate the share of profit between different partners? So the concept of equivalent capital comes. Okay. So in this type of partnership, we calculate equivalent capital. Okay. And how it is calculated? Equivalents are capitals are calculated for a unit of time by taking capital into number of units of time. That is what capitals each partner is investing and for how much units of time. It may be in months or it may be in years. Okay. And based on this equivalent capital, gain or loss will be divided between partners. Okay. So with the help of example, we will try to understand. Suppose there are two partners A and B. A invests rupees X for P month and B invests rupees Y for Q month. Then A's profit ratio B's profit will be equal to X into P. X is your investment of partner A and P is the time period for which partner A is investing. So, okay, so X into P is the equivalent capital of A ratio Y into Q. So Y into Q is equivalent capital of partner B. Okay, so this is what a compound partnership is. Next term is working and sleeping partners. As we discussed, some partners only invest the capital and don't come into management of the business. So, on this basis, a partner who manages the business is known as a working partner, and the one who simply invests the money is a sleeping partner. So, if you take examples of stock market shares, when someone purchases, then he is just a sleeping partner. Okay. So, on the basis of our discussion, we will solve some problems. So see this question. A, B and C, three partners enter into partnership. A invests three times as much as B invests, and B invests two-thirds of what C invests. At the end of the year, the profit earned is 6600. Okay. So what is the share of B? See, all partners are investing for the 1 year. Okay. So profit will be shared based on their investment. So this is type of simple partnership. Okay. This problem is on simple partnership. So we have to calculate the profit based on their capital investment. Okay. So here, as B is dependent on C, C, B is linked with C, B invests two-thirds of what C invests. So we will assume capital of C as rupees X. Let C's capital, C's capital equal to rupees X. Okay, so what will be B's capital? See, B's capital, it is two-thirds of what C invests. Okay, two-thirds capital इक्वल टू रुपीज 2/3 ऑफ एक्स. ठीक है. देन सीज कैपिटल, सीज कैपिटल. सो व्हाट इज सीज कैपिटल? सॉरी, एज कैपिटल. वी हैव ऑलरेडी एज्यूम्ड एज कैपिटल इज गिवन एज 3 times as much as B invest. Okay. So A's capital will be 3 times of rupees 2/3x. Okay, so it will be rupees 2x. So A's capital is 2x, B's capital 2/3x, and C's capital. So we can calculate the ratio of capitals. Therefore, ratio of capitals of A, B, and C, A, B, and C, it will be 2x ratio 2/3x ratio x. Okay. So when we multiply all the terms by 3, we will get, and see, x can be cancelled. So it will be 6 ratio 2 ratio 3. Okay. Now we can calculate the share of profit for each partner. Okay. But we have to find the share of B. Hence, B's share, what will be B's share? See, 6 ratio 2 ratio 3. So it will be 2/6 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. It will be 2/11 into total annual profit, that is 6600, and it will come as rupees 1200. Okay. So this is our answer. We will see next problem. See, in this problem, A invested rupees 76,000 in a business. After few months, B joined him with rupees 57,000. So from this you can conclude. See, after few months B is joining. So time period of investment for each partnership is different. So it is a problem of compound partnership. Okay. And B's investment is 57,000. At the end of the year, the total profit was divided between them. So profit ratio is given. So profit ratio will be in the ratio of what? Equivalent capital. Okay. So we can say equivalent capital ratio will be 2/1. So after how many months did B join? We have to find after how many months B joined A. Okay. So suppose B joined after X month, after X months. Okay. So see, total profit after 1 year is given. Total profit after 1 year. So total investment period is 1 year for A. For B, what will be the investment period? Because he is joining after few months, and we assume that B has joined after X month. So investment period of B will be 12 minus X month. Okay. Then B's money, B's capital was invested for 12 minus X month. Okay. Now, as we know that equivalent capital ratio will be same as ratio of profit. So now we can find the ratio of equivalent capital. So for A, it is 76,000 into 12 because complete year he remains invested, and for B, 57,000 into 12 minus X, 12 minus X, and this is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, so this 30 will get cancelled out. Okay, so from this we can calculate X. So 114 into 12 minus X is equal to 912, and from this we can calculate 12 minus X equal to 8, so X will be equal to 4. So after 4 months B joined the business, hence after 4 months B joined. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed about partnership, and we have also solved some problems based on our discussion. Okay, thank you.